Hi, in this video we're going to talk about select and checkbox field types for the taxonomies. First of all, let's go and see how we can create a select field type taxonomy. As you can see, under the category called car, we have a taxonomy called make, and that taxonomy has the field type set to select. The important thing for this is to set predefined list of terms that the user will be able to choose from when submitting an ad. The checkbox field is created completely in the same way as the select field type. The only and the main difference is that for the select field type, the user will be able to choose only one value from the list of the provided ones, and as you can see here under the security, the user will be able to choose, if the option field type is checkbox, many different options. Let's see it in the practice. In the step called details, as you can see, choose make, model, choose body, those are all field types select, and we can choose only a single value of them. Now, if we go to the security, we can see that we can choose many different checkbox. Let's go and try to create our own select and checkbox field types. I'm going to go to the choose fields category, and as you can see, I already have a shoe type taxonomy set to field type select. Okay, now I'm going to add some categories. Singular name, office, shoes. Let's go to sneakers, and that should be good, I think. Now, if we refresh the submission form, add some dummy data, go to the details, choose shoe, we'll see that we have options to choose office shoes or sneakers. Now, if I change this to the field type checkbox and follow the process once more, fill out the info, choose the shoe, I will have option to choose both of them. Hope that all this was very clear. Thanks for watching.